My project is a transformation. So it's an adaptive reuse and a reuse at the former grounds at the amtssygehuset in Aarhus. And I've been dealing with the old nursing school that is going to be demolished and then replaced by a housing building and with some, for example, the supermarket in the ground floor level. And I have been dealing with trying to do that, but within the confines of the existing building. So trying not to demolish and trying to use what is there at the site. The design strategy is dealt in 4 categories. It's subtraction, so what I remove from the building, and that is important for me because I can, at the site, there is a reason to open up certain areas. And when I do that as an architectural gesture, I also, within my project, need to figure out where does the materials that I subtract from the building go, and do they have a potential within the site. Then it's repair. So what subtile or gestures can I do that is mainly concerning maintenance or repair? So cleaning something or repairing something or painting something. And then there is renovation, which in my project is a gesture that is suited for an existing volume where I add something or like alter what is there, and then try to work with that architectural language. And then the last one is addition. So because there is in my program there is a need for a larger volume added, for me it just has been really exciting to provoke myself also with this aesthetics that is within reuse, and when do I try to refit the reused materials that maybe has a certain materiality to them to what I think is something nice to look at and be within. But then also figure out when do we also need to acknowledge that we have to accept more wear and tear within our everyday life kind of situation. So there is a big spectrum of this, and where exactly you put yourself within that is a very interesting exercise and has been for me. The reason why it's important to reuse this building and our existing built environment is, I think, of course it's twofold. It has something to do with the environment, but moreover, I think for me as an architect, it's very interesting to think about the potentials of reuse and try to develop an architectural language and a tectonic language that embeds itself in the existing environment. So to create buildings that has specificity within them, and that is an answer to the place they are,